Hi guys, today we will talk about how to find the interest picture on your Pinterest app. We will go to figure out this selection or know how can you do that on your Pinterest app. All you have to do, you just click here on saved. Then when you click here on saved, it's going to take you to your profile. Then you go up, you click here on app. Then it's going to show for you this window like this. Then you just click here on settings. Then you come to a settings window here and you click here on home feed tuner. Then it's going to take you to this and you click here on interests, and here you can so you can find all your interests here and soccer and coaches and anything you want to hear, and can you add your topics here, and so can you add your interests in your Pinterest app. So that's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video.